What's going on, guys? I'm here doing a test run on the Nerf guns that I bought my kids this Christmas. Okay, the first gun we got is the Nerf Strike series Alphastrike. The next one after that is the double breech mega double barrel shotgun, Bad Mama Jim. And last but not least, we got the twin shot, the dual action twin shot, man. Now we about to do some can hunting. We about to knock these bad boys right here down, as you can see. So y'all sit back and enjoy the show. We about to put a show on for you guys. All right, guys, we back. As you can see, the kids getting guns. They're ready to shoot. They ready to do this thing. All right, y'all. Blast away. Come on, Daddy, can you get it, baby?
I'll go first.
Go ahead, go first, son. Go ahead.
Oh, shoot. Dang.
Oh, come on.
I'm bad at this. Is it my turn?
Your turn, go, Daddy.
I got one more bullet.
My turn.
What?
I'm bad at this. I'm
All
so
right, go
bad
ahead.
at this.
Come on.
I
I'm
mean,
under fire, bro.
Load it up.
That was last time. I had to dig a little.
Daddy, what are you shooting at? Oh my God. Come on, Daddy.
My turn.
Come on, just son, knock it down. Knock it down. Take it home. Bring it home.
Pattern. I swear.
this song, why won't this guy do it? That's so weird.
Don't worry, guys. I'm coming. I gotta reload.
Let me try something. Let me try. I might do it.
She doesn't know my secret.
Close.
You don't know my secret, Jada. Yeah, you know my secret. When I aim, I go to the right a little bit. My turn.
Watch out, Jada.
Oh, let's go. I got your dead kid now. Whoa.
Stop shouting!
I got 30 points. Oh, shoot. Where are you shooting at?
I don't know.
Is that
Come on.
Dad, just
Keep going. Keep going.
Hit break!
Keep on.
I'm done, just I'm mad.
you shoot it?
Yeah, let go. Keep going. Keep going.
Daddy.
No, keep going.
I shot that shit with a million.
Keep going. Just not shoot again.
He just shot it like a million times, Daddy.
I shot that jet like a million times.
Yeah, Daddy.
Show everybody what you're shooting with, son. Hold your gun up in front of the camera.
What's this?
Go.
Oh my! What? Exactly, Daddy cheated.